Drop him off. Come to the parkade. Just leave him there and come quick.
Oh, buy extra bandages while you're
Come, Maynard. Come to the parkade. Come to the parkade. When he's done, we'll pick him up. Come to the parkade. They're at the hospital. They're at the hospital.
They're all at the hospital.
ADMC, you're at the end.
They're coming in. We gotta go. We gotta go. They're going in. They're going in. We gotta help Poe. They're going in. Poe, get your gun ready. No. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Wait,
Hospital.
Wait, come here. Wait. Come here.
Oh.
Alright, cops are pulling up. Oh my god, bro.
The pink car's getting chased. The pink car's getting chased. Follow the other car. Follow the other car. There's black car right here.
This is black riding.
Black riding. I'm going around. I'm right behind it.
On the bridge.
You guys is out.
Watch out, these cops might start shooting us, bro.
Keep driving.
Motherfucker.
She's dead. Oh, keep driving. Meet at MG block. Now.
Yeah.
Is that them that just lost the cops? On Capitol?
You guys good?
No, don't be.
Oh shit,
I'll go
I'm
ahead,
at a gas station across from the hospital. Fuck. I don't know what street I'm on. I'm fucking...
Gas station cross hospital. Okay, I'm coming. Black car.
So...
House on Grove Street. They have a house on
Right here.
Hello.
Down.
What the?
One's on foot.
Down.
One's on foot.
Dead.
One's on foot. He's getting shot. Dip, they're gonna shoot you. Dip.
The cops are shooting him. Just go.
Dip.
Oh no, Rancho Boulevard. 50 again. They're opening fire on each other right now. Shoot down that black bravado. Shoot down anyone with a gun right now. I got the driver of the blue Lampadati. Okay, 2 down in the blue Lampadati. They literally just opened fire right in front of me.
Down.
I picked up Beefy. Alright, I'm gonna get her out.
Alright,
Crash into them head on. Our car's out.
Wait. Fuck, will my gun reach from here, bro? Shit, only one way to find out.
I'm good.
They're on the highway. Pink car on the highway. Come on. Go. We gotta go. Pink car on the highway. Get in.